just opening my package real quick. Well, looks like we got some parts in today. Been waiting for these for almost 2 months now, but I got them all on clearance, so this whole pile of stuff cost me less than 20 bucks. A double set of collars, 2 sets of the original WL, got it for like $2 a piece. This is the one we're gonna mess with today. It's a heat sink for 540 motor. I figured it might help with the WL overheating. We noticed our old one seems to cut out after it runs a while and it's all heat. And then this, we're gonna mess with my XLF F18 and see if we can put these on the rear, stiffen it up a little. Using the stock WL on them now. And then I love these wings. These are the Eachines for the EC30 series. I like them on most of my cars. So this is probably going to go on our brand new WL. But today we're going to make a quick vid of doing this. I'll be back when I get the car. So, might eventually put a fan on it too, but this is going to be a quick video. I'm going to run these. It's snowing outside pretty good. We went from 50 to 9 degrees in a couple days, so it's pretty crazy. But these are pretty simple. They're just aluminum. Just pop right on like that. You decide where you want it. My suggestion is stay out of the fan. We'll see. Plenty of room. But that's pretty much it right there. So, these are easy to install. They don't come with instructions. I'll put a link in the description, but don't expect them to come overnight. There are other ones that will come quicker, but from Banggoog, you know, for $2 or $3, whatever the heck I paid for it, it's worth it. Now the idea is it draws the heat from the 540, and this is the biggest problem with these is they overheat. So we'll see if it makes a difference. If it does, maybe I'll put a fan on it. There is another fan port on the ESC, so shouldn't be too bad. Well, that's all for now. Like, subscribe.